It's recording. Hey, what's up, guys? This is with DIY. Do a little repair here. About to do some spark plug change on the GMC. This is a 2.4. 2.4. Do some spark plug changes here. Got the spark plug, AC Delco. We're gonna get this here done. Start removing this this air filter, this air hose thingy.
Yeah.
And because we gotta get up in here because the wire's gonna cross. The coils at the bottom of the passenger side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So we're gonna get to that right now. So I'll check back in with you in a minute. Press pause. Whoa! Take a look at this. I think these spark plugs gotta go. I mean, it don't look that bad to me, but it looks like the contact here is almost gone. Well, let's compare it to a new one. I mean, you can tell right there. We're almost at 70. It's kind of difficult when you're recording. Almost at 70 with the gauge. So, I mean, look at the comparison. Look at how burnt up that is. Look at that lead contact. Look at this lead contact. Come on, focus. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, now we're gonna gap them at 60, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'll check back in a second. Alrighty, guys. Looks like we got them all gauged up. Got the plugs all back in. Clip back on. Everything's looking mighty fine. Okie dokie. Over the wire. It's not touching. Okie dokie. That'll work. Just double checking and making sure that all the wires is in. Nice and properly installed. Yep, that's it. Everything's good. So we gotta put this hose back around here. I have to move it all the way so I can get access to that first plug. It's just a little bit tight, everything here. Let me get back with you guys because I gotta put this on and it's difficult holding the phone. Alright, guys, it's a done deal. Now we gotta crank it up and see how it goes. Here, put this in my bag. In the bag. In the bag. So crank it up. Let's see what it do. Yeah. No, we gotta empty that box out. Hold that. Get away. Put the key in first. Put the key in. No. Put the key in. Okay. Dale que se me acaba la batería. My battery. My battery on my phone. I got it charged. What? Drink your pop. Give me that. Hold that. There it goes. There it goes.